how to connect Instagram to Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways or link your Instagram to Facebook. So for that, first of all, open up your Facebook application and log in into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap the tab bar icon from the top right, and after that you need to go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. While you're on settings and privacy, tap the settings button once again, and right on top you can see account center, so go ahead and tap on account center. While you're on this page, you can see your profile, so tap the profile, and over here you can just go ahead and tap on add account, which is right at the bottom. So in order to begin with, tap the continue button, go ahead, and after that you can go to account center and select the particular account or the Instagram account that you wish to link it. So for my case, I'm just gonna go with this particular account, and after that tap the continue button. So if you're done with this procedure, go ahead and read all of the statement and tap on yes. As you can see, you've successfully linked your Instagram to Facebook. So in this way you can link your Instagram to Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.